Hello there, my name is Tressa and I have just recently put up some videos. You guys have not been watching my videos, so I'm going to try to get my friend Taylor to help me with a webcam show. She is not here today, but she will be here very soon. It will not always be in this area, so most of the time they'll be at her house, which is totally fine. Yeah, so I'd like to explain something. My mom was signed up to do this survey, and they said her go. And it's not even wrapped. Just go. It's really good. They paid $25 to get it here, but she got $3 to survey it. Right, it's money. But this is our favorite kind of gum. Orbits. Yeah. Sorry, I was just checking that my little sister was still asleep. Look at this weird medicine. It's called Welltussin. It's really stupid. Okay, so I've always wanted to do this. I want to talk about Desperate Housewife. Okay, it's mostly the ladies that watch this show. I think they're just watching the show because they want to start a job in their neighborhood, or they just don't have a life, you know. So get a life, go out there and talk to your friends. So, yep, that's it. Okay, well, I gotta go.